Okay, so today we're going to be talking about how to speak algebra. Now, algebra is a foreign language, okay? And you need to learn how to speak it. We are on page 36. So we're on page 36. And that would be 1.3. So we're in lesson 1.3. Okay, so let's talk about how to speak algebra. Now, on page 36, if you read, they have a situation where you have a t-shirt company and they have a $15 setup fee for making shirts, and it's $8 per shirt after that. Now, the 15 bucks is just a one-time set it up, make the logo, done. So we could write this as an equation. We could write it as 15 plus x times 8 is equal to y. Now, you could put into that equation any number of shirts and the answer that would come out would be y. For example, let's make it 5 shirts. So it'd be 15 plus x, which is, we said 5, so let's make that a 5. 5 times 8 equals y. So 5 times 8, that's 40, 15. Total cost of the shirts is going to be $55. Now, I could write it as y is equal to $15 plus x times 8. And there'd be no difference. You know, we would just do the math and y would come out. Now, as you're working your way from here forward, you're not going to see it in this format a lot of times. You're going to see it written like this. It's going to be written function of x, I'm sorry, I should have put an x there, is equal to 15 plus 8x. Okay? What does that mean? It means the same thing as this. Y is equal to 15 plus 8x, or x times 8. So when you see this function of x, you can think of it as that's the answer. You can think of it as that's y. Either one of those is fine. Okay? So if I said function of x is equal to 15 plus 8x, you would put in the number. Let's say it's this time, let's say it's 10 shirts. So 10 times 8 is 80. Plus 15, my answer would be $95. If x is 10, the answer is $95. So like I said, it's just a language thing, but you need to be comfortable with that as you progress through the course.